everybody, welcome back to Mr. Farms. Another day of harvest here. We got started late. We actually knocked out that field this morning with the gleaner M3, and right now we're going to do some moisture testing. We're going to fill it up. We're going to test some of this corn here. I don't know how much the wind's affecting it, but hopefully it don't do too bad. Fill it about full like that, and then I need to keep this cap started. Gonna start this cap, and it's cross-threaded, I guess. So I'll set you guys down there. Tighten this, and it's tight. Press your power button there. Number 1 is corn 5 to 21%. RUN, which means run. 18.4. This corn came off of a different field. That corn was testing 15. This corn was testing 20. Anywhere from 18 to 20, I guess, is what they say. So I'm going to set you guys down for a second. Empty this out. It's only like half of it. Okay, I found you guys. Dust you guys off there. There we go. So I have the moisture tester empty, and my dad is out combining right now. I ran combine this morning. I didn't get any video. I was very busy. Very busy. I need to get this moisture tester down. Tighten the cap on a little. And then climb down here real quick. Set you guys down. Right there looks like a pretty good spot for you guys for right now. And I got and I saved you. The other cart is with the other combine. Hang tight. Okay, we're back. Sorry for the delay there. I had to grab and put the moisture tester away, but there shouldn't be too much more to combine, because this is full. I think there's 25 acres in total that we're supposed to do on farm number 3. So my dad's out in a different field, and we're gonna finish up doing a couple things right now, and see you guys in a few minutes to see what happens. There's a rock trap came open on one of the combines last night, and there's a bunch of corn on the ground, so we're gonna have to pick that up, do all that stuff. Oh, there's wildlife in there. There's a hole. Will it focus? Yeah, good thing I didn't stick my hand in there. The angry things, I tell you. Getting ready for fall, I guess. So we're gonna get moving here, see how much we get done today, and I'll see you guys in a few. Well, right now we're sitting in the old 7110, waiting for a green truck. Should be coming soon. We got some snacks. Oh, that's my hand. Yeah, we got some snacks over there. Oh, fun. We got our hydraulic levers over here for all your different functions and stuff like that. Window is open because it's hotter out, I guess. You can put it there. This is a power shift tranny. That's the good lever. Very good lever. Throttle lever. Always good to use that one. And this one, you pull this back. You're neutral. Reverse. Over there. Push it forward. Faster you go. That's full speed. Pull back a couple gears, and then you can. On the go, you can do that. Nudge it up. Switching gears. All that high gear, and then you go back. And you can put it in park. Here's your race course on that. So right now we're waiting for a truck. I got some things down there for the 3-point. But it does have the quick attacher thing on there though. 2 arms at the quick attacher things on it, as you can see. That's what they have instead of those. But this one, Bradford, is full. Both combines are full. And that window is really dirty. Can you guys see through it? How was that? Perfect. Perfectly full. Some corn coming out of this thing. Actually, throttle down a little bit for it. So, do you guys know what time it is? Time for some great drone shots. So enjoy some drones. Well, guess what? Truck's out. Gleaner number 1. Little gleaner. No. Big. Little gleaner. Big gleaner over there-ish. Somewhere around there. Right there, I think. Around that spot. Yeah, it should be. Excuse me, but... never ate my lunch. Still gotta eat those. Probably aren't gonna eat them anyway. Need something to drink. We're just sitting here at the 7110. Just finished that truck. There's a little bit left inside the cart. There can't be more than 15, 20 bushel in there. Maybe 20 bushels on a good day. I don't think I was gonna fit in the truck. So I just shut her down and then did what I wanted to do, just brought it back here to the combines. And I don't think we're even filling up too fast. We're just gonna keep working away here at this field. Hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. I did that and then a couple other things. Well, I was not busy in a cart and everything was getting full. I mean, we're at full operating capacity. Yeah! So we're running corn. We went and we're looking at another tractor though, a 7130. Looking. Keyword is looking, not buying, looking. Looking at a 7130. Them combines look cool together. How's my hand look all zoomed in? Dirty. Before noon. Oh, I can't even focus. In focus, out of focus. In focus, out of focus. Turn you guys off. $19.02, right? Like that. 1902 combining with Gleaner M3 combines. Like the original Alice video. The original Alice video was like that on a good day. Wow, that camera can really adjust. Yeah, it was just about like that. But hey, if you look them up, you can see these combines running. Oh man, this inside of this tractor got really big. There's your throttle. Little smoky, hey. We're just working away here, I guess. We're gonna finish this, then we're gonna go on to the 4-row wide stuff. So we're almost done, and my uncle is almost full. So we're gonna pull up down here, have him unloading us. Or maybe he's gonna try to make another round. I don't know if he's gonna make it if he does another round. Or maybe he just won't want to unload. Don't know yet. We're gonna try to though. Thought my camera was still zoomed in. Ooh, that would have been bad. Is he gonna unload? Nope. We're gonna wait a second here. I don't know which one to hit, full or the big gleaner or the little one. Oh no, yeah, you guys looking at no action. There should be a combine back there. Yep, that's Dad's combine that he's running today. Oh, I almost let the clutch out. Oops. So I gotta put it in park right away. But we're just trying to get this done here, and then we're gonna move on to 4-row wide. Fun combining, eh? Really kind of the absolute opposite. 6-row is the best thing a person could ever do for corn. It just goes way faster during 6-row. Or if you're using 6-row. Probably idle this tractor down a little. Well, yesterday I was in a combine. Today I'm in a cart. It don't really matter to me. I like running combine more. It's more fun. Let's see who's going to unload first. Or if Malcolm's going to put his auger out. Standoff. They're going at each other. Oh wait, he's putting his auger out, you can see. He needs unloaded. He's gonna unload into my dad. You guys watch. Probably get after that right now. I'm so good at putting it in gear. I don't even need to listen or anything when I put it in gear. I know it's in gear. Oh, we took a row off beside it. What a nice guy. I don't know if we're gonna load on the go. Nah, and he's backing up now. Hey, I'm gonna drive under it. Hey, 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 stop, 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 stop. Stop. S-T-O-P. I guess you could move, it don't matter to me. I can drive under anything with this cart while doing a video. Oh boy, that's gonna be close. Can't see the sun in my eyes. Oh yeah, we're good. You gotta turn it on. You can hear it now. And then your sun is in. Yeah, try to line up that with the sun shining in a dirty window. We did make cornstalk bales this week though. Now, this corn looks to be doing okay. Gotta hop out here. Okay for blow sand, eh? Where's Dad's combine? Oh, he's just finishing. And he's got his logger out too. He's probably gonna make his way down here, I guess, is what I get. Gonna sneak through a couple corn stalks here. He's coming, so see what other action happens today. No more drone clips. The drone got left in my truck and the truck broke, so it's about my luck today. So hoping they're just gonna switch out here once one's done unloading. That's what a gleaner head looks like. Still prefer the John Deere. Anything's better than 4-row wide, I guess. Stuff goes so much faster 6 rows at a time. Yeah, it just goes faster. From experience and stuff. With the 4-row stuff, it really isn't that fun. But it got the job done for us for many years. We had a K2 gleaner before we got really big, or bigger into the farming game. Like when we started, we had a K2 with a 2-row 38-inch. And that was our very first combine. And that thing could speed along pretty good. And then we had a 510, another 510, and the Massey, and then we had the one gleaner M3. And we had 3 combines last year. A Massey, a gleaner, and then that gleaner. We got at the very end, we had 3. And it was pretty neat having 3 combines. It was cool having that 750 at Perkins would just run beautifully. Get back out of here, get out of his way. My dad unloaded into the Kilbro, the 475 cart, and we're just gonna whip around here. This tractor has a lot more weight than that John Deere has. Air unloading into there, and I'm just gonna stick around right here inside this tractor. We're gonna see what happens. Hopefully we can do a couple other things and finish this farm that we're on right now and be done. So we're gonna see what kind of action happens here in the next couple minutes and see if we're done, see if we're gonna get another truck or what. But there's a good amount. You can see it through the window in this cart. Probably gonna move carts and stuff for a while. I'm just gonna swing this around here. And you can get the best sunset photos out here, I tell you. I'm pretty sure I used the sunset thumbnail the other day. For the other day video, day 5 or whatever it was. I got a sunset photo out of my phone. And I found it and I put it on there and I really liked it. I don't know how that other video got 1,200 views, but if you guys could share this and like and hit the subscribe button. Only 22% of you guys are subscribed that watch, so make sure you do that, and I'll see you guys. I need some more action out here, otherwise I'll just track the combines for a minute here. Oh boy, here's the Colossal combine. It's coming by right now. Woohoo! Hey, there's the boss. And the M3 gleaner. Beautiful, beautiful, yeah, beautiful. Follow that until he turns the thing on. We should throttle it down before he turns it on, I would think. Yeah, I think he is going to throttle it down real quick. Nope, we're going to miss it. Oh, there we go. Ain't that just a beauty? And he's going to go along and rev her up. Oh, that's some good smoke coming out of there, eh? Stupid lever vibrates. Well, we're going to see if we get any more action. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that smoke action you guys got there. So we're going to see what happens and continue on our day, I guess. See you guys in a few. trouble right there. I'll even walk on the roads for you guys. Try not to hit by any corn cobs. Well, we're getting closer. We got 6 rows left after these. Well, you guys would like some extra shots, I guess. Might as well get the shots when you can. Burn some calories while you're at it, too. Whoa! Okay, my uncle's at the end of his 6 rows. You guys know what that means. Zoom to the other end and grab that back is all he has to do. And then we're done with the 6-row narrow corn of 2020. So basically the last of the easier corn to harvest. Oh wait, he stopped right there, so maybe 1 pass at the most. We're gonna start walking back to the tractor and cart and bring that up so we can fill the truck next. So we're gonna fill the truck and gotta do a couple other things, and then I think this video is gonna come to an end after a couple more clips. So enjoy it while you can, and hopefully you guys enjoyed my straw walker thing I did there. I put the camera in the straw walkers, tried to, and then I got the muffler cam thing I'm gonna try to rig up in the video too. So we're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna send out the truck tonight or tomorrow. I think we're gonna send it out tonight. So see you guys in a few, when hopefully we're gonna be unloading the trucks and I'll be driving down the road, everything home. So see you guys in a few once we get everything driven home, or I'm driving home, something. And I guess that's gonna be a wrap for today. Grain cart's full behind the 7110, as we can see. It's full to the tippy top, and then a little bit over the sides. I'll walk over to the 46. It's a full cart too, so we're done for the day. They've taken the combines down the road and they're gone, they're home. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be coming out soon when we do the 4-row wide corn. So I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you guys again. Thank you.